Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a guess game. Um, First, I wanna tell you how this game works. Actually, how it goes is you give the player options, and then um, what you'll do is make the computer have a um, random number in his brain, and um, you have to tell people to make a guess, and you're gonna give them the perfect answer on how many guesses they made. So this is how you're gonna do it. And first I made it like this to make it look kind of neat. So first I said name, and I want the user to give his name, and after he types his name I want to say hi, and then I want to give him directions, and these are my directions. And first, after you do it, you have to import random. Number of tries, make it 1, and result is random.randrange. And in the parentheses, when you say 1, it starts with 1 and ends at 100. Now when you say this, it means that when you say randrange, it means like it begins at 2, the after number, and stops at the before number. Like it starts at 2 and ends at 100. And this is the while loop. I don't know if I taught you about this. While you will use while when you want something to repeat. If you say if here, it's not gonna work, I'm sure about it. And this thing is really important. I'll make some tutorials on how to what these mean, but for now just use it. I think you know what while means. Like it's the same. It has some relationship between the word English, the word what it means in English and what it means in Python programming. And say print number of tries they made, and say try. And when you say this, it's gonna show them you made 1 try and you lost. Not like that, it just says how many tries they made, and try starts at 1. And say guess, create a guess is input, enter your guess. That's the number they that is the number they guess. And if guess is equal to result, and which is the random number in computer's mind, I mean Python's mind, then just put this thing and say print you got it correct, and tell him how many tries he took. Print number of tries you took, and you can put anything you wish here, but I think this makes a little bit sense. So I put it and I said tries, and it's when it is equal, it's gonna show this one, and break. It's gonna stop. If you don't put this, if you forget to do it, what happens is it's gonna continue. Even though they said the correct answer, it's gonna go and ask again and again. So the user's gonna get mad, like gets irritated. And now if, and after you say break and go back, remember you don't when you say break, it should take you here, because when you say if and put this, it means like you're not continuing here. You should remember it. If you say this, it should go here and say like a tab, and that's the way it works. And say break and go back. And if guess is less than result, say go up. It's like a hint for them. If guess is less, then say go down. It means they should go down. And tries is plus and equal to, like when you say this, tries is 1, and and equal to means 1, and the second time 2, and third time 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. and when you stop it here, because you said while loop here, it's gonna continue. And remember, this is a common thing you do all the time. And um, if you say if here, it's gonna just stop there. And if you say while, it continues, like it goes like that, and until if they don't get it, they don't break it, and then it keeps giving, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down, and it's the correct until it gets the correct answer. And it will keep trying until this becomes false. And if it becomes false, that means they got the answer. Like here, guess is equal to result. So let's see how it's gonna work. And I presently don't want to say it because I don't know if I made any mistakes. I don't want to take time doing it. I don't want to save it, and I'm gonna just open the title, and I want to run it now. It is the same thing. Look, tries, guess, and everything. This is sad too. Same. And look, I made this design by saying using this thing and this at the top, so it's optional, and everything here is optional. It's okay if you don't want to give them directions, but I'm sure they're not gonna understand what it is. And I'm gonna say green leaf. Hello green leaf. Guess the number that is running in my brain. Some hints will be given to you during the game. Your score depends on how many guesses you make. Go and sorry. And here are the meanings of the words I used. Go up means your answer is a bigger number. Go down is your answer is a less number. Guess the correct number between 1 and 100. And I use this to make a break. Like if it continues, they won't be like, I don't want to read it. I don't think it would be so interesting. So number of tries I did is 0, and I think I have to change this one to 0, so I will do it. And enter your guess, or it means the first try, same thing. I don't think I have to change it. And my guess is 20. Go up 30, go up 50, so go down, it is less than 50, so 40, go up, so I'm sure it is between 40 and 50. So wait, sorry, look, and 45, and go down, it's less than 45, 43, 42, and 41, and you got it correct. Number of tries you took, it is the number this 8. I took 8 tries, and when you say enter, the game's over. And that is how you'll make a game. And I think this is a really helpful tutorial for beginners, and I think I don't have to make a video on this thing, because I told you the difference. If means it stops there, and while means it repeats. And I'm sure it's not gonna work for this thing, because you used if and break, and it's not gonna work. I'm not sure what the perfect reason is, but I'm sure you have to use this one, and I'm gonna show you. It's not gonna work now. Oops. Okay, never mind. Look, break outside loop. When you say if, you don't really use the break thing. So while, save it, working. And the reason it's showing you this is because, look, guess is an input, not a raw input. Input means a number. When you say raw input, you can enter letters, but when you say input, you can't enter letters. So that's how it's gonna work, and thanks for watching. Bye.